Hey everybody, welcome to Keto-alicious. I'm here in my kitchen. It is a beautiful summer day and it is gorgeous outside. I today want to do a keto noodle hack. This is something that I have seen products like this on Amazon, but this is the way to have fast noodles without having zucchini or having to make any noodles. And today the video is not going to be very long. It's going to be short and sweet because I want to go outside and enjoy my day. I got my shorts on, I got my summer shirt on, and I am excited to get outside and do some enjoying some sunshine. But today, this little hack that I want to give to you is going to be something that I hope each and every one of you try and enjoy. So, with that said, my noodle hack is dun 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 dun, hearts of palm. Can you believe it? So I'm going to take you away from me and I'm going to watch me cut this, and it kind of shreds a little bit as you cut it, and you can help it out a little bit. It almost looks like shredded cheese when you cut it, but you can take these little hearts of palm, and you can buy these in a can. If you find them, sometimes they can be spendy depending on where you live, but these little guys are my favorite. I slice them and I put them into salads. But the pasta, now what you do is you cut these into slices, or you can cut them into rounds. You can do whatever you want to do. You can saute them in butter and put any of your sauces on there, and you have the illusion of noodles, and they taste amazing. They kind of pick up the flavor of any of the sauces that you use. And so this has been kind of my go-to, a mindset secret hack that I wanted to share with you guys. So again, I'm gonna take these and I'm going to slice them for you. All right guys, so here is the hearts of palm. You can take them and stand them up and cut them like this if you choose to. And they just slice like cheese. So they look like, let me put this over here, sorry. So they look just like shredded cheese, but if you take them and you just kind of slice them, they have a tendency to kind of layer, if you know what I mean, see? And if not, then you can cut them into, I guess these would be like fettuccine slices. And you know, this isn't perfect for me. You guys can cut them any way you want to, but I'm trying to give you just the concept of this. And they are kind of layered. So they do break like cheese, like shredded cheese or mozzarella cheese. And then they're layered. But they're just an amazing little hack that you can use instead of noodles. They have centers if you want to just eat it. You can cut them round. Let's try this again. So this is more like the fettuccine look. If you wanted to just cut them round, you could do that. And you could use those as noodles. Perfect, just like that. And then heat up some butter, maybe put some garlic in there, and add your onions, whatever you choose to do. I'm going to do another one so you can see if you cut it straight up and down what it does. Kind of the same thing. And you can cut them a little thicker too. And then just go ahead and slice them any way you want so that they're not so thin, and that they're more durable this way too. Anyway, so this one I just cut, but you can see that it's kind of layered like that. It just kind of falls apart that way. And this one is doing the same thing. So I'm just going to cut them. But I tell you what, guys, if you put this in a pan, and if you're making spaghetti sauce or you're just wanting some noodles, you can cut these a little thinner if you want to, just like that, and add them directly to the sauce right as the sauce is done, or put these in a bowl and then just go ahead and pour maybe the meatballs and the sauce over the top of them. This would be also amazing for fettuccine alfredo. This would be great for a pesto sauce dish. So anything you want. So see, they break, you know, when you cut them around, sometimes they break because they've got like little centers in them. So whatever you choose to do, you could cut them in half if you want to, and have just a half for a noodle. But you'll be surprised. I think these are wonderful. It's a great way to have noodles on a keto diet, and you just butter them up and they are amazing. So look how easy that was. So the kitchen hack or the keto noodle hack today was so simple. I gave you a little secret that I use for my pasta dishes, and I hope that, look at this, I'm gonna interrupt. I laid out in the sun this weekend and I was laying in my relaxing chair and I fell asleep and I put my chin like this, and when I woke up and came in, I have layers of of parts of my body that did not get some sunshine. So if you're wondering what in the world is going on with my neck, I saw that and I thought I would just bring that up. But this has been a secret hack of mine that I have been using for noodles. And yeah, of course they do have carbs on them. I think they have 5 or 6 net carbs in them. I don't have the can with me because these are leftovers from a can that I opened a couple days ago, so I don't have the can with me. But I think, actually, I might have another can. Hold on a second. Let me take a look. I do! Oh my gosh. So these are whole hearts of palm, and the back of them say total carbohydrates. Can you see those? Total carbohydrates 6. It has 2 grams of fiber and 2 grams of sugar. So actually we're only talking about 3.5, 4, 2.5 to 3 net carbs per serving. And per serving, it says 2 servings per container. So when you open this, there's about probably 8 of these little rounds in there, hearts of palm. So that would be about 4 of them. So you could make pasta, a lot of pasta for one meal. But this has been my secret hack, my keto noodle secret hack. I hope you guys try this. I hope you enjoy it. I'm always trying to come up with new things to make my recipes taste amazing, to help with low carb. I know a lot of you guys that are watching me may not be keto, and that's okay. You guys could just do these recipes just because they taste amazing. You don't have to be on any kind of a special diet. You don't have to be low carb. You know, these are just things that, you know, as a cook, it's just fun to try new and different things that maybe not everybody is doing, and that's my goal with this. And if I lose weight, great. And if not, I hope that I just bring really good, wonderful meals and ideas to each and every one of you, and that's my main goal here. So, question for you guys. I know that I do have a lot of you that are following me that maybe are trying to lose weight. I would love if you take the time and put in the comments below the challenges that you have had trying to lose weight. I have struggled for almost 20 years with my weight. And even though I'm doing keto, I still struggle. So I'm not perfect by any means. That's not what this channel is about. It's to help, because I am I'm gonna say, a good cook. And so I have that amazing, I guess I would say, trait. So I can help each and every one of you with meal plans and recipes to get you on the right track for you to lose weight. But I want to hear from you guys. I never really ask questions on, I got sunburn there too. I never really ask questions to my subscribers or to people that watch me, but I'm really curious. I would love if you would take the time and, just send me a comment below on if you have struggled with your weight loss and some of the challenges that you have had. I would love to hear that. That is something that is very important because I've dealt with it myself. So until next time, guys, thanks for watching this. I hope this hack is this keto low carb. I'm just going to say low carb noodle hack helps you, and maybe you bring this into your family and your family loves it. Your kids love it. It's good for you. And like I say, I love each and every one of you. I appreciate you guys on my channel watching me. And until next time, I hope you have an amazing day. Bye-bye.